Hello, dear viewers. In this video, we will teach you how to add a product to the Moneybox accounting system and database. When you receive the Moneybox system, it is completely blank and empty. Therefore, the first question that comes to your mind is, how do we register our products in the system? In this video, we will explain to you how to do this. We will guide you through various financial and economic strategies to ensure that your business operations are conducted smoothly and efficiently. On the home page, at the top of the page, click on the Add Item option to open your item registration window. This page is divided into two sections. The first section is for adding items. The second section, on the right side of the page, lists your purchase numbers. When you purchase from a company, all purchased items are recorded under a bill number. In this section, enter the bill number and click on the Register option. All the items that you add at this stage will be saved under the same bill number in Moneybox. Enter your good's name. For example, if your product is Pepsi, include its name. The department and category are two options used to categorize commodities in the Moneybox system. For instance, if your product is soda, you can register it under the soda department. And if you haven't previously added the department in which you want to register your product, you can add it to the system from the same place. This structured setup allows for more effective organization within the system and streamlines overall operational processes. It delivers an efficient business management approach within the Moneybox application to handle and oversee product categorization and departmentalization. Click on the blue plus sign above, and in the Add Department section, write the title of your department and click on the plus sign again. In this option, you must also select a category or subcategory. If you also want to add a new category here, click on the plus sign, write the title of your category, and add your category. For instance, place it in the category or subcategory of carbonated drinks. The next option is Shop or Store, where the system automatically writes the name of your store here. You can type or scan the product barcode here. If your product does not have a barcode, the Moneybox system will automatically generate a unique one for it. And if you need additional information about the product, you can access more details such as local product code, country of origin, company name and manufacturer, product model, further descriptions about the product by choosing the See More option. Balance alert setting. You can set up an alert system that notifies you if the quantity of a specific item falls below a certain level. If your product does not need to be counted, you can check the relevant option. If necessary, you can register a product in the system with 2 or 3 different barcodes. Purchase price or cost of goods sold, the selling price or price at which you sell the product, the quantity of purchased goods, counting units such as grain, kilo, liter, specify the supplier. Of course, if the supplier from which you have purchased this type of product is not registered in the system, or if you want to register a new supplier. Click on the blue summation symbol, and the supplier registration window will open for you. Simply enter the name of your supplier, and the system will register this supplier for you. In the Moneybox application, if the vendor from whom you've purchased a certain product isn't recorded in the system, or if you want to add a new vendor, click on the blue aggregation symbol and the vendor registration window will activate. Simply input the name of your vendor, and Moneybox will record this vendor in the application for you. This feature makes supplier management more efficient and streamlined for Moneybox users, especially for businesses that manage multiple supplier resources and require an organized and easy-to-use system in place. If you have previously borrowed from Moneybox as a supplier, you can enter the amount of your loan in the Open Invoice section. Then click on the Total Sum icon again. If a product is added in the store, select the Stock option. If a product is added in the warehouse, select your warehouse or click on the plus sign, input the warehouse name, and register it. If your product has an expiration date, input it so the system can provide you with a report of products nearing expiry. In this section, you should specify the type of purchase for this item. Choose Loan if you have received the item as a loan from the supplier. Select Cash if you have made the payment in cash. It is important to also specify your income and currency, meaning which income and with which currency the payment was made. The MoneyBox system also provides the option of making payments in different currencies. For example, you can add the item in Afghani and make the payment in dollars. This shows the flexibility and inclusivity of MoneyBox in accommodating various financial transactions and currency preferences. The registration is free of charge if the product is already available in the store and you just want to register it in the system. After completing all the details, click on the option to add the product. The product is registered in the system with all its specifications. Then, refresh the page so the product appears in the same warehouse you added it, ready for sale. Thank you for your attention to MoneyBox.